You know that you've been the victim of medical malpractice, but now you are wondering, you're a hard worker, and would you be labeled a mooch or a lazy person if you decided to sue your doctor for the harm that he or she caused you? Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law in the state of Maryland. And I would like to talk with you today about this question that comes up. Are you a mooch if you decide to sue your doctor for the harm that he or she caused you as a result of a medical procedure? Individuals who are thinking that question are usually thinking this: is it fair to sue your doctor for the harm that he or she has caused you? The best way to explain this, I think, is through an example. So let's look at it this way. You've got a child, and your child has decided to play with your next door neighbor and their child. And they decide, your child included, decides, well, you know what? We're going to practice on our golf swings in your neighbor's yard. Your neighbor's child is all for it, and he's like, well, let's go ahead and do it. So your child goes ahead and starts to play golf with your neighbor's child. During this process, you learned that your child has went ahead and taken his stroke with his golf swing, but he lost control of the swing and the ball drifted into your neighbor's window. Your child comes home and he tells you, look, Dad or Mom, I broke out Mr. Such and Such's window when I was playing golf in the yard. Your neighbor comes over and confirms the damage, tells you this is how much it's going to cost to repair the window. Now, if you were anything like how my dad was growing up and how I am now, you're just going to go ahead and you're going to pay for the damage. And the reason being is because it's the fair thing to do. It doesn't matter whether your child intended for the ball to go through the window. The end result is that your child swung the golf club and the ball went through your neighbor's window, causing damage to your neighbor's home. That's what we do in America. We pay for things and we act fairly. So why have I taken the time today to explain this to you? Because if you're watching this video right now, you're having issues that you're going through. You're trying to decide, should you go ahead and talk with someone about suing your doctor for the injuries that he or she has caused you? If you're in this situation, this is what I invite you to do. Pick up the phone and give us a call. We can be reached at 301-850-4832. Or if you would prefer to send us an email, you can send an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. We answer questions like yours all the time regarding Maryland medical malpractice law, and we will be glad to hear your story. If you're watching this video right now on YouTube and you like what you just saw today, we would invite you to go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The reason why subscribing is important is because if you're the type of person who likes to research these matters and to have a better understanding, you will see that we are constantly uploading helpful content just like what you watched today. And if you are a subscriber, you will be alerted through your email as soon as we upload other videos. Boston Law Group LLC is a Maryland medical malpractice law firm practicing law in the state of Maryland and representing those who have been the victim of medical malpractice and providing helpful educational information to the public. It's what we do, guys. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at BLG, and we will see you next time. I'm one of these guys that has to go and practice on my golf stroke too. Take care.